Hello and welcome to Mother J's Caregiving. Please hit the like button and subscribe to see more content. Thanks a lot. Walk closer to the walker.
Okay.
Look who behind you.
Robert.
Beret.
Damn, Beret.
Beret.
I go before I'm done. Come on, that thing, walk out there.
Watch where you're going.
I'm
Look where you're going.
coming.
Watch it. I need you to walk in front of this. Walk in front of here. Put your legs in between
So
here.
I can sit over here.
No, we're going right over to where the water is. It's a bench up here to sit. Come on. She's walking sideways. She's not walking inside the walker. She's walking sideways. You scared of the water? Mama, what normally swim in water?
I can't take it. Look, that's the base sit down. Look at that. Who's that in the part of that?
Fish.
I don't know what it is.
Is that an alligator, Mama? Alligator down there? You don't want to see no alligators?
I don't see one.
Okay.
Don't fall down. Did you spit in the water? So, Mama, how you feeling today? How old are you today?
Same age. I ain't with no more. I ain't got no more.
You went how old? You remember?
I'm a teenager.
You're a teenager. Oh.
Girl.
Y'all teenage girls.
So me.
Oh.
That might be young.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Met her paying 59 yesterday, Saturday.
How I am, Chris?
90.
You a lie. You know I ain't no 90 years old. When I told you.
Last April.
90. That's what I was saying.
And next month, you're going to be 91.
I mean 91.
Next in April, this is March. April 21st, you'll be 91.
There's 91.
Mom, you look good for 91. Oh, Lord. You look good.
To be in your 90s. All those years.
Can you see anything, Robert? Right.
You seeing what?
Huh? What you trying to do?
Camera.
You trying to videotape. Can you see out this thing? Look at this right here. Look, you see this right here? I just talked to Tommy.
That's his name?
Tommy, we call him. Like to me, she ain't trusting you, bro. She said she gonna hold on to her walker.
You put that in your pocket. Or you grab that on church, bro.
He's saying you don't need your walker. He gonna hold you. Let me move this. Let me move this right. Let me move this out the way so he can. Let me move this out the way.
I got it.
I got you.
I got you.
We don't want to walk in the picture.
Shit.
You don't have to be in the piece. Okay,
Oh.
now he got you. Stand up straight. I got it. Turn this way, Mom.
Try to get your hip right.
Look at the camera. Crap was in my hip.
Oh, Lord.
How you can shake, rattle, and roll. Show him how you can do. Show him how you shake, rattle, and roll. Ooh, get it after me. Ooh. Now listen. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Now she trying. My relatives say it is feel good out here. Me and Lee and Mama, we about to freeze. But it's like 81, but the water from the ocean feels a little cooler. Since you got the jacket on, you feel good. It's the Indian River Lagoon. You did? Yeah, you feel good. Feel my hand.
Cold.
Child, my nose done started running. As soon as I get home, you have to Ray say you feel good to him. You enjoy this Florida weather, aren't you? This is winter time.
It's winter time?
March, yeah, March is winter time. Mama, look at those ducks.
You might have been speaking to her. I say you might have been speaking to her.
Mel said she enjoyed this. Mom, we can't control other people's lights. Way across the street. I need for you to come this way, and then we're gonna put your walk in the back of the car. Right, Mama, this way. This way, Mama. Let's talk to everybody.
Going this way. Put my hair flying up.
Yep, that's your hair flying up. That's your hair flying up.
This is how we get in.
Uh-huh.
Well, you have to put this in. Where my bag at?
Just sit in. I got everything back here.
Well, my
I got it right here in the back seat of the car.
no, you already put it in.
Mm-hmm.
Well, y'all sit there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Just put that on your jacket, Mama, so you don't get on your clothes. Well, she already at 2.
Yeah.
I'm with that thing with Jasmine Rice with two sides, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Hello, birthday girl.
Hi,
Where you from?
I am from Gastonia, North Carolina.
So where you are right now?
We are at
Sounds good. You want to do the...
Oh, is that in Vero Beach?
Vero Beach. Yes,
Oh
it
my
is.
goodness. So what did you order today for your birthday dinner?
I ordered a large Caesar salad with grilled chicken. On
That
it.
sounds delicious. And what did your husband order?
He ordered the corn clam chowder soup.
Oh, okay. Mother J, I've already ordered your food.
All right.
I'll order you some fish.
I'll go ahead and have some bread right out to the table.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, we do, actually. Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. We've already ordered your food. So, birthday girl, so this is who all is at your birthday dinner today? You having a dinner every day, I see.
Yes, it's been wonderful. I have my handsome brother-in-law,
Oh,
sister-in-law
okay.
from St. Lucie, Florida.
Okay.
And then I have my nephew, Beret.
Where's he from?
He's from Atlanta, Georgia.
All right.
I'm not from Atlanta.
Where you from?
From North Kakalaki.
North Kakalaki. All right. And who else is enjoying your birthday party?
And I have my wonderful mother-in-law,
Ooh.
Ethel Johnson Watson.
Oh, Ethel Mae Johnson. You at her birthday party at Metta's birthday dinner today. What are you doing? And lastly,
I have my wonderful, handsome husband, Robert Watson.
Roberto,
The love of my life.
the love of your life. Well, we're so happy that you're here.
Thank you.
And that
Well, I prefer
he said put the bread right there. As if he's not gonna share it.
Thank you.
Y'all gonna be filled up on free. Thank you so much for your support. a Mother J's Caregiving. Please remember to like and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. God bless.